Welcome to a journey beyond Earth's atmosphere, where man-made marvels roam the cosmos. Welcome to SpaceX's X-37b. As you step on board, you'd see its compact, aerodynamic design and engineering feat ensuring safe passage through the harshest of environments. Step into the payload bay, where science meets space. This is where experiments are conducted, secrets of the universe unraveled. But what pilots this craft? This autonomous spacecraft uses advanced avionics, blurring the lines between human and artificial intelligence. Underneath, you'll find the solar panels, the lifeblood of X-37b. Converting sunlight into energy, they facilitate this long-distance voyage. The reusability of X-37b marks a historic shift towards sustainable space travel, reducing waste and preserving our planet's resources. SpaceX's X-37b, a testament to human ingenuity, stands as the gateway to the cosmos. Today, we've lifted the veil on its secrets.